the UHC-1000 offered by the company VH Life. If you're looking for an exceptional high-performing hydrogen inhalation device for in-home use or for a clinic that has dual user capabilities, then this review is for you. This is a hydrogen system that allows you to engage in hydrogen therapy via H2 inhalation at a very high flow rate. This device allows you to breathe either pure hydrogen gas or oxyhydrogen, which is 66% H2, 33% O2, and has dual user capability. This system can be for those who operate a medical clinic and want to effectively implement hydrogen inhalation into their medical practice, or for those who have the financial means and want to provide the greatest levels of H2 to their bodies, or those who have serious health issues and want to find a system that can provide really high levels of H2 to their bodies. Lastly, this unit will be perfect for a family or household who has more than one person in the home, because this system has dual user capabilities, allowing two people to breathe at the same time. The device provides 1,000 milliliters per minute of pure H2 and 500 milliliters per minute of O2, with attachments if you want to breathe both. It comes with the latest iteration of PEM technology, so it has high gas purity and no concerns if the gas is safe to breathe. In fact, the system comes with independent laboratory gas analysis showing that it produces 5M purity, which is 99.999% H2. The system comes with dual user capabilities, so two people can breathe at the same time at 500 milliliters per minute of H2. It also comes with a big digital touch display, displaying hydrogen gas and oxygen gas production in milliliters per minute. The system also comes with a night mode that allows you to dim the display. Furthermore, the device allows you to do inhalation sessions up to 12 hours. And lastly, the system comes with magnetized holders for the humidifier cups, allowing you to move them from the front or to the side. The UHC-1000 has earned H2 Hub seal of approval as an H2 inhalation device, and we have ranked this system as a level 4 hydrogen inhalation system. That is the highest level an inhalation system can achieve on our ranking system. The UHC-1000 is a high-quality, highly therapeutic hydrogen inhalation system with build quality comparable to a hospital unit. The device allows for more than one user at the same time and H2 inhalation sessions up to 12 hours. This is an expensive system, but it will be more than worth the investment in the long run if you have the means for it or the ability to save up for it. 3 reasons why you should consider this product. The device provides more than a liter per minute of hydrogen gas. The unit has dual user capability, allowing two people to use the system at the same time. And lastly, the device has top-notch build quality, ensuring a long lifespan for the unit.